We are 112 days away from the Bitcoin halving, Bratans, and Bitcoin is trying to break this massive resistance line at around 44K. You see it here. We're trying to break this resistance line, which is a massive historically resistance and support line. You see support, support here, resistance. And in case we break it to the upside, the first big price target would be at around $57,000. And the good news is it could be even higher, because it looks like a bull flag. Even you see it here. It looks like a bull flag, and the technical price target of a bull flag would be even at around 70K. This is crazy. And we have another huge news. I come back in a second to it. I mean, we know we have on the 26th December full moon, and usually on full moon we have a probability of 70 to 60% pump. So in 2 days we will have full moon. In 2 days, by the way, Merry Christmas to everyone. And we have some bullish news here, which is saying SEC tells spot Bitcoin ETF hopefuls to make final changes by year end. Sources: the spot Bitcoin race could quickly reach your 401k retirement plan. SEC hold calls with spot Bitcoin ETF hopefuls as possible approvals nears. So we have a lot of bullish news here, but the thing is, what I want very clear, very clear to be here, is that if the mainstream media is getting very bullish, you have to be very cautious. And for this we have to watch the 4-hourly chart, or yes, the 4-hourly chart. And on the 4-hourly chart we broke down this rising wedge, and the rising wedge is a bearish pattern. But the good thing, we're still holding this massive support line, which is around 43,300. You see it here. It holds the support. It was previous also a support line. It was a resistance line. We're holding this line. So in case we are breaking 43,000, this is when it's getting very dangerous. And this is when we could go as low as, very clear, I'm here very clear, we could go as low as the monthly support line at 30,700. Yes, we could go. However, as long as we stay above, we could still have here a Christmas gift, and we could see here some pump, because on the big picture, so not on the biggest picture, but on the daily, we have here green dot, we have full moon, this is the second thing, and we are about to form a golden cross in case this green line crosses the red line to the upside. So there are some indicators which are telling us we could see pump, but I would like to see a bullish divergence here, but we don't have any bullish divergence, but we don't have also a bearish divergence on the daily. However, on the very big picture, if we are zooming out, if we are watching on the weekly time frame, this is when you have to watch the, very important, the weekly time frame, because here I put out the weekly time frame, and we have a very clear bearish divergence here. You see it here, the RSI is going up, you see it here, but the price is going down. And we have not only this, we have also a red dot here on the big picture, and we will form here, we see here a very how it called, doesn't matter, we will form here a death cross, and a death cross means we should see a dump on the weekly. So I want to be clear, in the immediate short term we could see still a breakout to as high as, the first price target would be as high as $57,000. Yes, this is right, and we could even go to 70, but I don't think so. But 57 is very clear. However, on the weekly time frame, we have a lot of signs for a bearish breakdown. We have a huge ascending broadening wedge, which is also a bearish pattern, and the price target would be here, the support line at 21,000 approximately. And for surprise, 21K, we have also at 21K, if we're going here on the daily, we have opened the CME gap perfectly at 21K. You see it here between 20 and 21K is the CME gap open, and it's not closed yet. So I'm expecting that we will see here on the weekly a dump. So maybe in January, usually we see in January, because the people are trying to take out their profits and to pay taxes. So we could see some dump in January, and I'm expecting this will be a massive dump. It will be not like where we see Bitcoin bleeding over days. It will happen very quickly, usually so quickly that you can't take profits. It usually happens with an 1-hourly candle or a 4-hourly candle, sometimes even a 50-minute candle, where you see Bitcoin dropping 15-20% to the downside. Another thing is, so this is on the big picture. So on the big picture, I still expecting that we could see in the immediate short term a pump to a price target. The first one would be $46,000 and then over $55,000. Therefore, I also bought FXS. I bought a lot of FXS, and I'm coming right now to the altcoin. So if you're not interested in altcoins, you can turn off the video right now. For everyone who's interested in altcoins, I show you here. So I bought more of FXS, and why I bought more of FXS? Because FXS had halving, and I expecting, because previously in the history of FXS, we saw a 200% pump on FXS. So the price target of FXS would be here from $8.80 approximately to the first price target would be $14, the next one would be at $17, and the next one would be around $20. Some people speaking about even 24. In the immediate short term, in the next 2 to 3 weeks, I expect this huge pump. For this reason, I bought a lot of FXS, and I wrote you also that I bought a lot of FXS. I wrote also on my, wait a minute, where is it here? On my Crypto Bratan Twitter channel, you see it bought more 100K worth of FXS on spot, and I am long on Bybit on FXS with $200,000, which is right now around $15,000 or $20,000 in profits. I'll show you in a second. I have to open Telegram here. 1 second. I open here Telegram where I have here. Here you see it. I'm still FXS long. It's $13,000 in profit. Right now it's, I think, even $15,000 in profit. So I will stay. I will take profits at around $20, which would be around $200,000 in profits then. So let's see, will it work out or not? I'm holding this position because I'm expecting here pump, because historically pump. And we have another big thing. I bought KNDX 2 days ago. I wrote you, I bought KNDX. It's a low market cap coin, and it's very dangerous. This gambling, please don't follow me on this. But I bought it at around, I wrote you KNDX. How I can search on my profile, by the way. Somehow I can search on my profile why I bought it, because there are rumors that KNDX has NVIDIA partnership. If that's true, this could be a multi-billion-dollar market cap potential. So this is still also gambling and very dangerous. But here I write you, here, by the way, my FXS position was even 20K in profit. Just bought 7 million market cap, high risk, but high reward. It was on 22nd December, and then we saw right now KNDX pumping even. Wait a minute, I bought it approximately, wow, it looks crazy. So I bought it approximately here at 15 cents, between 50 and 16 cents, and we see we are right now around 20 cents. So there are rumors, so 24% profits. Congratulations if you also jumped here and bought KNDX. It's only available on Uniswap. It's not paid, nothing. It's pure gambling. But there are rumors that the people expecting here, or the market research expecting here, from here approximately 15 till 150x. So let's see. I jumped in. It's very risky. FXS is way less risky. However, you have to do your own research on this also, Bratans. So let's see how all this working out. I will update you on my crypto Twitter channel. You can see here Crypto Bratan, CryptoBratan1. You can check. I post nearly several times a day about my trades and what I'm buying, what I'm selling. Or you can join also our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, Slavic Alerts, where I post about what I'm buying and so on, Bratans. And if you want to short or long Bitcoin or FXS, you can get $1,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. But thank you everyone for watching. I wish you very merry Xmas. I kiss you and see you later.